Hey guys, how you doing? So today we'll be at Tailem Bend for the Locktoberfest event. We're here now, car's ready to go, and yeah, I'll see you on the track.
Oh, there it is. Wow, that was
Alright, so we're about to go on track. For the first session, it's about to be 10 o'clock, so it'll be West B3 and East B1. I'll be going on B3 first, just because I haven't driven this track before, so yeah, I'm pretty nervous and quite scared, but oh, I'll just go nice and easy and go from there. If I go out and do another lap, yeah, can you just visual see if that front wheel looks like it's dragging along? Yeah. Cheers, bro. Oh, it's that heat wrap.
I don't know, when you're turning that way, that
wheel
is squeaking.
Fucked, eh? Yeah, I might go have a look at it.
Yeah,
is that alright if I go through that way? Or?
Yeah.
What does it look like? Towing in or just
have a look when the wheels are straight and see what wheels.
Okay.
So it's definitely that tight.
Alright, no worries. Because I can hear it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've done our first session. It was pretty good actually. Very different track to what I'm used to. It's high speed, but it's very technical. Good to drive. The car actually really likes it. So I did my tie rod ends, about 2 nights ago. I counted them out, but as you always know, you never get it right. So the alignment's out. Understeering a lot. I really should have got it aligned. You know, for best drivability. Aligned it a little bit. Hopefully that's pulled some coat out, because it wasn't impossible to drive like that, but it wasn't the best. So just tightening everything up and making sure it's all good, and then we go out in roughly like, I don't know, 15 minutes. We go driving the West A2, so I'll see how it goes on that. It's all learning. Like, I'm here alone, like I don't have any mates here. I know a few people here, but no one like really. But I'm not with anybody except my girlfriend. So yeah, everything that goes wrong, I have to fix myself compared to just handballing it onto Shane. So I'm learning as well. So it is good, and I'm having a good day. Oh God. Well, that wasn't meant to happen. I fucking tapped that tyre wall again. Oh well, it's drifting, isn't it? But this tyre's fine. This one's like brand new still. I reckon the other one must have I reckon the other one just fell off the bead maybe. No, it was fucked. Had no life in it. it actually drives straight now, so
Beautiful. Just
yeah.
tow it out a little bit.
Yeah, tow it out.
Yeah, beautiful, man.
It's a bit better. It's almost too towed out now, but it works.
Yeah. You can probably go a little bit more on this one.
Yeah.
That one, but
Yeah.
if it feels good, just leave
Yeah, it's driving straight, so I'm
That's
keen.
plus, man.
So it's fucking, it's a different, heaps different track compared to what like Malar.
Yeah.
It's wicked. I love it. Drives heaps better. Yeah. So it's 4 o'clock. We've had plenty of track time. I've gone through 6 tyres roughly. My front lip fell off. Can't see it, but yeah, my front lip's fallen off. I've taken my bonnet off. My front driver's side tyre went flat. Had a massive hole in it, and it just gone dead flat. But yeah, other than a few cosmetic issues, it's been pretty good actually. The car's sitting on about 100 degrees, fluctuates from 90 to 105, 106, which is not too bad, which is pretty standard. It hasn't spat any coolant. Power steering's doing really well since I put a cooler on it. I've just got a trans cooler from, you know, like a standard Falcon, and yeah, just ran it to the power steering lines, and it's been pretty cool. Cracked my sump. Oh well. Lucky it's 5 o'clock, not 10 o'clock. The bar's looking worse for wear. Today's been a good day. Today's been a really, really good day. So I tried these SKYLINEs for the first time, and holy shit, they're that grippy. They seem to last a long time, and they're smoke. And so nothing I can ask for more, and they're not that expensive. So. Yeah, it's got some battle scars on it. Alright, so just grabbing the trailer now, about to pack up. But yeah, the bend is such a sick track. Like compared to Malala, this place is top notch. Lots of driving, there's heaps of people here. Heaps of nice cars, just people that actually like enjoy drifting. I feel like Malala separates a lot of people because you get your own shed. Like here it's very open, everybody helps each other. Yeah, at Malala I don't usually get involved with a lot of people I don't know, but today I kind of just felt like a drifting community. Everyone's just running around helping each other. Some poor prick's car caught on fire like the first few sessions, and I've never seen that many people run to a car with a fire extinguisher. There was at least like 5 to 10 people. So yeah, but everyone just seems to give a shit out here. Like we're all here to do the same thing. But yeah, as you would have known, I smashed my sump, and there's a massive oil trail all the way to my pit. So it was a good time. It's like I finished drifting at like 5 o'clock. It's now 6. Almost about to pack up. I'm gonna put the car on the trailer, and then we're gonna go home and we're gonna go have a beer or two. So, all right. So car is packed up. We're just about to enter Tailem Bend to head home. So, thank you very much for watching. My face is grubby, and we've had a good day. As I said, I broke my sump, a few cosmetic things, but other than that, I had a really, really good time. Had a really, really good time. I love this thing. I just got to learn to drive it. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and do not forget to comment, because every time you do that, another person sees it on your end.